What's going on? My name is Reginald Cuthbert. Most people call me Mr. C, and I'll be your tutor for your Toolbox Tutors math session. Today we'll be discussing how to multiply binomials with the same variable, and I'll be completing this example step by step. Before we get started, let's look at the tools of reference you'll need in order to complete this example more easily. Let's get started. Having these three tools will help you multiply binomials a little bit more easily. If you understand how to combine like terms, use the distributive property, and the multiplication property of exponents, then you have the tools needed to multiply binomials. If not, please check the description below where I'll link the videos that we have already discussing these topics. Let's go ahead and look at our example. For this example, we'll be multiplying 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 10. So once again, looking at our first parentheses, 3x minus 5, these are not like terms, so we can't combine these together. And same thing with the second parentheses, 2x minus 10, these are not like terms. So since we have no sign in between the parentheses, this lets us know that we'll be multiplying. So what we'll do is multiply these two binomials together. So we have 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 10. So first we have the first term in each parentheses, 3x and 2x. So we have 3x times 2x. That gives us 6x squared. Next we have 3x times negative 10. That gives us negative 30x. Now we'll multiply negative 5 times the first term in the second parentheses, which is 2x. That gives us negative 10x. And negative 5 times negative 10 gives us 50. So now from here, what we want to do is identify any like terms we have and simplify it as much as we can. So 6x squared has no like terms. So I'll go ahead and bring this down here. Next, negative 30x has a like term of negative 10x. So negative 30 minus 10 gives us negative 40x. And 50 has no like terms. So we'll put plus 50 right here on the end. And that's it for the FOIL or distributive method. Next, let's look at the area of the box method. Don't forget, for the area of the box method, you have to draw this shape. All it is a square or a rectangle with a line going straight up and down the middle, and the line going horizontally across the middle. So first we have our first terms, 3x minus 5, going on the left side of these boxes. So 3x minus 5. Next, what we have in the second parentheses will go across the top. 2x being over this box, negative 10 being over this box. So now we'll multiply what terms meet at each specific box. So 3x times 2x, that gives us 6x squared. Next, we have 3x times negative 10. That gives us negative 30x. Below, we have 5 times 2x. That gives us, that's a negative 5. So this gives us negative 10x. And last, we have negative 5 times negative 10. And that gives us 50. So now inside these boxes, we have these four terms, and we want to see if we have any like terms. With 6x squared, we have no like terms, so we'll bring that down. Negative 30x and negative 10x are like terms, so we can combine these together, and we get negative 40x. And lastly, we have 50. Doesn't have any like terms, so we bring it down, and we have positive 50. And notice that using the area or the box method and the distributive method, we still come out with the same answer. The whole purpose of showing you both again was to show you that you have options and that you could choose another way to do it. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, hit the like button. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. Also, check out the other videos that Toolbox Tutors has up on YouTube, where they go over math concepts in about 2 minutes. You could check out one video. I'll leave it in the description below. where you can see a third method of multiplying polynomials. Until next time, have a good one.